Welcome. I am the co-founder and CEO of GFresh Agrotech, an agritech startup in India. We are mainly focused on the onions, which is a marketplace of India has a total value of 750 million USD, which is the backbone of Indian ecosystem and which contributes to 20% of its GDP. The major problems faced in the supply chain of onions is inefficient due to intermittently involved in the chain, resulting into the loss of qualities, food wastage, high logistic cost, product shortage of food, and ultimately resulting to high cost for the consumers in India. The biggest obstacles in increasing in farmers' income is in India and creating the efficient supply chain for profit-earning middlemen, commission agents, traders, and wholesalers who make a major chunk of profits from the farm produce, and which has been transferred, which has not been transferred to the farmers. We are trying to transfer it to the farmers. The biggest problems faced by the farmer side and the customer sides are they don't have the right prediction authorities for the prices, unfair pricing, and delayed payments from the middlemen's, minimum offtake requirement from the better pricing, lack of knowledge on demand side, and inaccurate shortage at the farm gate. Low income in the hand of farmer will craving with the high farm loans leading to the suicides and all. On the customer side, there are extraordinary high commissions charged by the middlemen, which lead to the price fluctuation in the market, larger variation in the quality and weights for the procured source by the middleman, forced to deal with cadres of traders on terms dedicated by them, lack of transparency and traceability of the origin of the produce. The problem mentioned above are the presence in Indian supply chain for several years, and with the time of inefficiency has just increased, and hence there is the need of technological enabled solutions which completely eliminates the middleman and connects farmers to the customers. Where is the GFresh? GFresh has been founded by the two brothers, Shubham and Naman, in 2019. Currently, the India's largest marketplace for onions. We have been sourcing directly from the farmers and supplying it to the B2B clients in India and abroad. Currently, we are having a network in 7+ states of India and 30+ cities in India. We have been recognized by the Government of India for our initiative, and we have been bootstrapped till now. We have a currently annual run rates of close to 7 million USD. And we are working on the blockchain technology to manage the business operations and the traceability of the farm produce. These are the key cohorts which we have achieved till now. We have tried to procure almost 30 million kgs of onions from farmers of Nasik. We have impacted to close to 18,000 plus farmers. We have 300 plus B2B customers. We have achieved a turnover of 9 million USD in 21 months of our operations. We have dealing with daily monthly turnover sales of 3,000 metric tons of onions, and 85% of the sales are to wholesalers and the retailers of India. What are the benefits being provided by the GFresh to the farmers and the customers? For the farmers, the benefits are the instant payments, fair and transparent pricing without any deductions, no minimum offtakes are being taken, no dealing through middlemen, and tech-enabled platform for demand determination and the pricing. On the customer side, the solutions benefits provided are timely delivery, ensuring the quality of the produce is fresh, directly sourcing from the farmers, which helps the end customer should get a proper pricing and the better quality for the produce, organized supply chain, and tech-enabled platform for ordering and tracking of the produce. We have been impacted to close to 18,000 plus farmers in India, and who are the backbones of the economy. And the technological platforms will be.
But time is over.
Thank you.
You were in a very hurry, so I hope our judges have been realized the idea.
Hi, Kate. I have a question for Shubham. Can I? Shubham, this is Gaurav from Arit Ventures. Shubham, good idea. I like the elimination of middlemen. Couple of questions. Since you already have generated revenues, what is the percentage improvement in profits for the farmers? What price were the farmers getting before through the middlemen or mandis, as we call it here in India? And what are they getting through you guys now?
The price incrementation is close to 20 to 25% as of now. We have been giving to the farmers. The increase in the profits are there.
Okay. Who are your buyers for this product? Is it the big restaurants, grocery stores, e-commerce companies? Who buys this?
We have all set of buyers. We have the local vendors also, local buyers, corporates also, e-commerce platforms also, and the corporates also.
Okay. And And Shubham, since you guys are already generating quite significant revenues, as we saw, what are you looking to raise $18 million, right? You have mentioned that you're looking under $20 million to raise. If the platform exists, the buyers, sellers exist in 7 states, I'm not sure if you will be able to export given the commodity inflation and the demand in India, but that's all right. What are you looking to do with $20 million?
We are trying to develop a farm gate solutions for the farmers. A farm gate storage facilities will be provided, as there are no farm gate solutions available for the storage facilities in India for the onion production. There are facilities for the other commodities, but not for the onions. We are trying to develop the solutions for the onion storage also, along with the other like technological development is to be done, advancement is to be done, and the capital is also required for the expansion. And we are also trying to expand to European countries and the exports to Dubai, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, and to the Singapore in the first phase.
And Shubham, I think that's good, but my suggestion would be the Indian market itself offers you $1 billion opportunity, so you may not have the need to export. Shubham, one more follow-up question to your presentation. What are the kind of gross margins or net margins you are generating right now?
We are gross margin profitable by 7% as we are into B2B. So market standards are 7 to 9%. We are at the lower side because we are transferring the profits to the farmer side. That's why.
So you are at about 7 to 9% on GMV, yeah?
GMV, yeah, right.
Perfect. Thank you, Shubham. All the best.
Any more questions?
Yeah, just one quick.
Can I just ask about, I know you've got the warehouse and everything, but I was just a little bit more confused on the tech piece. You know, what is the sort of tech additionality, I guess, and where does it come in?
We are providing a platform for the farmers and the buyers to connect directly through our platform.
So it's like a website or an app, or how does that work?
It's under development. As of now, we are operating offline, but in the coming 6 months, it will be completely online.
Okay.
It's under development because of COVID and all.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. So, yeah. Any other questions? Let's continue in chat and play.
Are you planning to expand to any other commodities, or you just going to focus on onion?
We are focusing on the other commodities also, but in the second phase, in next 1 to 2 years. So initially, we are going to focus on onions. We will be establishing the supply chain of the onions first of all, and then we will be setting up the new commodities.